In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Sendwave app. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the app in your device's store, start the download confidently, and recognize when it's finished installing. First, open the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, that's the App Store. On Android devices, it's the Google Play Store. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is usually faster and can help avoid using mobile data. If your store asks you to sign in, use the account you normally use with your device so you can download and keep the app updated later. If the store takes a moment to load, just give it a second. Sometimes it needs to refresh. Next, use the search feature in the store. Tap the search bar at the top, type Sendwave, and then press search or enter. Be careful with spelling so you land on the right results. On the results page, look for the official Sendwave app. A quick way to confirm you've got the right one is to check that it has a recognizable logo, sits in the finance or similar category, and has a solid number of reviews. If you see multiple options, choose the main listing that looks established and trustworthy. When you find the correct app, tap the download button. On iPhone, this may appear as Get or a cloud icon. On Android, it usually says Install. Your device might ask for permission or authentication, like Face ID, a fingerprint, or a password. This is normal and helps protect your account. If you're on mobile data, you may be asked to confirm you want to proceed. If possible, switch to Wi-Fi for a smoother experience. Now wait for the download and installation to complete. You'll see a progress circle or bar, and the button will change as it works. If your connection is slow, just keep the store open or continue using your device. Downloads typically continue in the background. If you get a message about storage, free up some space by removing files or apps you no longer need, and then try again. Once everything finishes, the button will change to open. That's your confirmation that the Sendwave app is installed and ready. You'll also find its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer for quick access later. That's all you need to successfully download the Sendwave app. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smooth installation experience.